How to win friends and influence people, best 10 points summary. 1. Show genuine interest in others. People love to talk about themselves. Be genuinely interested in them to build a strong connection. 2. Smile, it's powerful. A warm smile can make people feel comfortable and open to conversation. It's a simple yet effective way to win friends. 3. Remember people's names. A person's name is the sweetest sound to them. Use their name often to make them feel valued. 4. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Listening actively makes people feel important and appreciated. 5. Talk about others' interests. Find out what interests the other person and discuss that. This helps in engaging conversations. 6. Avoid criticism and complaints. People resist change when criticized. Instead, inspire and motivate them with positive reinforcement. 7. Appreciate others genuinely. Give honest and sincere appreciation. It builds trust and makes people feel respected. 8. Admit your mistakes quickly. If you're wrong, admit it openly. This earns respect and helps resolve conflicts faster. 9. Make the other person feel important. Give credit where it's due. Everyone likes to feel valued, so recognize their efforts and achievements. 10. Influence through stories, not arguments. Instead of arguing, share relatable stories to make your point. People remember stories more than direct advice. Apply these principles, and you'll build strong friendships and positively influence people.